The Vice President, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, has said the commencement of gas cylinder production in the country will boost government's efforts to further improve the downstream gas subsector. Speaking at the inauguration of the production plant built by Techno Oil in Lagos, the Vice President added the efforts will further ensure cleaner environment through indigenous and domestic solutions.
This commissioning is a landmark achievement for Nigeria's mid-downstream gas subsector, and it's also a reminder to all of us that we must regard our abundant domestic gas resource as an important component of our economic growth and national prosperity. Techno Oil's investment auspiciously also converges with our administration's efforts to speedily diversify our economy, especially through domestic and indigenous solutions. According to the World Health Organization, the smoke from burning wood fuels alone is one of the 3 significant causes of mortality amongst women and children, especially those in the hinterland and the poor. Natural gas and its derivatives, such as LPG, are on the other hand not only cleaner and more friendly to the environment, they also present substantial economic opportunities for all of those who are able to participate in it along the value chain.
He said the driving vision of the President Muhammadu Buhari-led administration has been to ensure the transformation of the subsector from a commodity-based to a value creation sector based on domestic utilization and industrialization.
The goal is to achieve 5 million metric tons of domestic, commercial, and industrial LPG utilization in 10 years. And I want to emphasize utilization. That really remains a challenge. The production, of course, is critical, but placing all of these cylinders and being able to substantially transform the way that we cook and to make that process more environmentally friendly is really the challenge for us. Specifically for household cooking, we are targeting about 40% adoption rate, and that comes to about 13.8 million households in 5 years, and 73% adoption in 10 years. That's about 33.3 million households. We believe that the subsector can create up to 2 million new direct and indirect jobs in the country, given all of the potential that we see today.
He therefore commended the management of Techno Oil and assured the private sector of the federal government's continued support for their efforts to transform the business environment.
The visionaries and the management of Techno Oil deserve our hearty commendation for making this very substantial investment in the development of the gas sector. We are committed to ensuring that every step of the way the private sector is involved in transforming the business environment.
Earlier, the managing director of Techno Oil, Mr. Tony Onyema, said the goal of the company is to ensure that the cylinders are adopted by the majority of Nigerians.
In 2015, Techno Oil, a family business, took the bold step towards the establishment of a cylinder manufacturing plant. Your Excellency, today we have accomplished that task. And now we are faced with yet another task. And that is the challenge of placing this cylinder in every home, in every school, in every cafeteria, in every mama put. We do not pretend to produce alloy or aluminum or fiberglass cylinders. We produce 3 millimeter thick gas cylinders.